Is your front door still stuck in winter mode while spring is already blooming outside? Wondering how one simple wreath can completely change the mood of your home? Looking for springtime wreath ideas that feel fresh, welcoming and stylish, not outdated or overdone? Curious how to decorate for spring without spending a fortune or buying seasonal clutter? What if the right wreath could make guests smile before they even ring the doorbell? Stay with us, because today we're exploring springtime wreath ideas that bring colour, warmth and seasonal charm to every kind of home, whether you love minimal elegance or full floral drama. What makes a wreath truly feel springtime? A springtime wreath is all about renewal, softness and natural beauty. Think fresh florals, light greenery, pastel tones, and organic textures that reflect the season of growth. It should feel airy and uplifting, not heavy or crowded. The goal is to welcome spring the moment someone sees your door. Which flowers work best for spring wreaths? Seasonal favourites like tulips, daisies, peonies, cherry blossoms, and wildflowers instantly signal spring. Faux flowers can look just as beautiful when layered thoughtfully and blended with greenery. Mixing different bloom sizes adds depth and makes the wreath feel more natural and alive. If this already sparked some ideas, hit like and share this video with someone who loves decorating for spring. It really helps the channel grow. How can greenery-only wreaths still look fresh and seasonal? Greenery wreaths shine when they use variety. Eucalyptus, olive leaves, boxwood, or fern textures layered together. Adding subtle details like a light ribbon or asymmetrical shape keeps them from feeling flat. They're perfect for those who love a calm, modern spring aesthetic. What colour palettes work best for spring wreaths? Soft pastels like blush, lavender, sage and cream are timeless for spring. Bright pops like yellow or coral bring cheerful energy when used sparingly. Neutral bases with one accent colour often feel the most balanced and visually pleasing. How do I choose a wreath for my front door style? Match the wreath to your door colour and home exterior. Light wreaths stand out beautifully on dark doors, while colourful wreaths pop on neutral backgrounds. Consider scale too. Your wreath should feel proportional, not too small or overpowering. Tell us in the comments, do you prefer bold floral wreaths or soft greenery styles for spring? Can spring wreaths be used indoors too? Absolutely. Spring wreaths look stunning above mantels, on mirrors, gallery walls, or even as table centerpieces. Indoor placement allows for more delicate designs and softer colors that might not hold up outdoors, but look amazing inside. What's the difference between minimal and layered wreath designs? Minimal wreaths focus on clean lines, fewer elements, and intentional spacing. Layered wreaths use multiple florals, textures, and colors for a fuller look. Both work beautifully. It simply depends on whether you prefer subtle elegance or eye-catching abundance. How can I make a spring wreath look high-end on a budget? Use a simple base and focus on quality placement rather than quantity. Group florals in one area instead of spreading them evenly, and stick to a consistent colour palette. Less clutter often makes a wreath look more expensive and professionally designed. For more seasonal decorating ideas like this, check out our full spring decor playlist linked in the description below. Are asymmetrical wreaths good for spring decor? Asymmetrical designs feel organic and modern, perfect for spring. They mimic how flowers grow naturally and add visual interest. A simple grapevine base with flowers flowing on one side creates a relaxed, designer-style look. How do I decorate a wreath for different spring occasions? For everyday spring, keep it light and floral. For Easter, add subtle seasonal accents. For garden parties or celebrations, choose brighter colours and fuller arrangements. Swapping small elements lets one wreath work all season long. What materials last best for outdoor spring wreaths? UV-resistant faux florals, sturdy grapevine bases, and weather-safe ribbons hold up best outdoors. Avoid overly delicate fabrics if your door gets direct sunlight or rain. Choosing durable materials keeps your wreath looking fresh longer. Subscribe for weekly decor inspiration that keeps your home stylish through every season. How can spring wreaths reflect personal style? Your wreath can reflect your personality through colour choices, textures and themes. Romantic, rustic, modern or farmhouse, there's no one right way. The best wreath is one that feels like you welcoming spring home. Can one wreath work from early spring to summer? Yes. Choose neutral greenery with subtle florals. As the season changes, you can swap ribbons or add small accents to transition into summer. This keeps decor flexible without constant redecorating. Where should I hang a wreath for maximum impact? Front doors are classic, but side doors, patio doors, or interior focal walls work beautifully too. Placement where natural light hits the wreath enhances colours and textures, making it feel more vibrant. Love this vibe? You'll find more spring and seasonal decor videos linked in the description, perfect for inspiration. What finishing touch makes a wreath unforgettable? Balance. When colours, textures and spacing feel harmonious, the wreath naturally draws attention. A well-balanced wreath doesn't shout, it quietly welcomes, and that's what makes it memorable. Springtime wreaths are more than decoration. They're a first impression, a mood setter, and a celebration of renewal. Whether you choose soft florals, modern greenery, or something bold and playful, the right wreath transforms your space before a single word is spoken. Start simple, follow your style, and let your home bloom with the season. If this video inspired you, please like and share it with someone who loves home decor. Drop a comment below and tell us your favourite spring wreath style. We read everyone. Explore our full spring decor playlist in the description for more beautiful ideas. Subscribe to the channel for fresh decor inspiration every single week. You'll find more videos just like this linked in the description. Don't miss them. All featured wreaths and decor pieces are linked in the description for easy shopping.